Hi students, welcome to NTD's online classes. In this session, we discuss about definition of vector and types of vectors. Yes, from the point of examination, the types of vectors are very important. It carries 1 marks question for board exam. It is very important. Out of out means 100 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ types of vectors na ಓದಲೇಬೇಕು. Yes, we shall start. First we take a scalar on one side and next one vector. So scalar, vector. Scalar is a physical quantity having physical quantity. Vector is also a physical quantity. Okay, scalar is a physical quantity, vector is also a physical quantity. Scalar is a physical quantity having only magnitude, but vector is a physical quantity having both magnitude and direction. So scalar having only magnitude, but vector is a physical quantity having both magnitude and direction. Okay, what is magnitude? Magnitude means a numerical value with or without unit. Suppose 5, number of pens. 5 is a numerical value, that is magnitude. Suppose 5 kg means number with unit, that is also magnitude. So magnitude means it is a numerical value with or without unit. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ, 5 is just a number, 5 pen or 5 pencil or 5 books, that is number. 5 kg, 1 kg sugar, 5 kg sugar. So next to 2 liters of milk, that liter is a unit, 2 liter is a magnitude. So magnitude means numerical value with or without unit, with or without unit, that is called magnitude. Okay, it is about scalar and vector. A brief explanation. Once again, scalar is a physical quantity having only magnitude, vector is a physical quantity having both magnitude and direction. So what is magnitude? Magnitude means numerical value with or without unit. Then physical quantity means physical quantity is all measurable quantity. All measurable quantities are called physical quantity. Example, you can measure this length of scale. So scale length is a measurable quantity. So gas cylinder, so gas in a cylinder, it is also measurable quantity. Suppose length of textbook. Suppose A is a one point, B is a another point, B. Here A is a initial point, B is a final point. A is a initial point andre beginning point anta, starting point. B is a terminal point, means end point. The distance, suppose 5 centimeter. This is west, this is east. Let us take, okay, assume. So AB is a vector. AB is a vector, arrow mark, because it has both magnitude. 5 centimeter is a magnitude and direction along east. Therefore AB is a vector because it has both magnitude and direction. So what are the examples for scalar? Scalar examples are speed, time taken, mass, volume. They are example for scalar. For example for vectors, that is force, acceleration, then velocity. They are the examples of vectors. Okay, next we shall move on to types of vectors. This type of vectors is very important from the point of examination. 1 marks ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ನ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಔಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಓದ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿನೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಶಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಝೀರೋ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. Zero vector. What is zero vector? Definition. Zero vector is a vector. Zero vector is a vector whose initial and terminal point, whose initial and terminal points coincide. That is called zero vector. What is zero vector? Zero vector is a vector whose initial and terminal points are coincide. ಅಂದರೆ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಟರ್ಮಿನಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟು let us take A. Last point is also A. That is called zero vector. If you take like this, A is a vector, B is another vector, A is a point, B is a point, initial point is A, terminal point is B, but it is not a zero vector. Some length is there, suppose 2 centimeter, some length is there, therefore some magnitude is there, therefore it is not a zero vector. So zero vector means the beginning point A, final point is also A. Beginning point A, final point is also A. That is called zero vector. It is denoted by 0 or A is a vector, beginning and final is also A with arrow mark. So A, beginning point same, ending point same. That is called zero vector. So simply zero vector is a vector whose magnitude is 0. That is also zero vector. For definition, you must write this one. Zero vector is a vector whose initial and terminal points are coincide. Second one, unit vector. Unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is whose magnitude is 1. Unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is 1. That is called unit vector. Suppose A is a vector. Unit vector is denoted by A cap. A cap is a unit vector along the direction of the vector A. This unit vector is also written as A cap equals vector A divided by magnitude A. So A cap is a unit vector acting along the vector A or acting in the direction of A. That is called unit vector. So A cap andre unit vector anta. So unit vector is a vector whose magnitude is 1. It is denoted by A cap. A cap means vector A divided by magnitude A. A cap andre meaning ಏನು ಅಂತ. A cap ಅಂದ್ರೆ it is a unit vector acting in the direction of vector A. So A cap is a unit vector acting or moving along the direction of vector A. That is called unit vector. So exam ge important ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So next one, third one, co-initial vector. ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ನೇಮ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಅಂತ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಎ ಇಂದ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ, ಎ ಸಿ, ಎ ಡಿ. ಸೊ ಎ ಇಸ್ ದ ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್, ಎ ಡಿ is a one vector, AC is another vector, AB is another vector. Therefore, AB, AC, AD are called co-initial vector and A is a co-initial point. ಅಂದರೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಂತ. ಒಂದೇ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಂದ 2 or more vectors ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, these vectors are called co-initial vectors. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ what is the definition? Co-initial vectors are the vectors. Vectors, co-initial vectors are the vectors having same initial point, having same initial point, then that vectors are called co-initial vectors. Here one vector AB, second vector AC, third vector AD. These three vectors are co-initial vectors because their co-initial point is A. The starting point is A. Therefore, they are called co-initial vectors. Let us take one more example. This is P. This is A. This is B. So, PA, PB are co-initial vectors and their beginning point means starting point means initial point is P. Okay. So, PA and PB are called co-initial vectors. Co-initial vectors ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 2 vectors ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. So, 2 or more vectors are said to be co-initial vectors. They having same initial point. So, next one is collinear vectors. Collinear vectors are the definition. Collinear vectors are the vectors. Collinear vectors are the vectors. They are parallel to same line, irrespective of their collinear vectors are the vectors. They are parallel to same line irrespective of their magnitude and direction. So, concept ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So, collinear vectors ಅಂದರೆ suppose let us consider straight line. ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ, call that line as L. Let us take vectors. Observe here. There are 4 vectors are there, AB, CD, EF, GH. These 4 vectors are parallel to the same line L. L is a line. The 4 vectors are parallel to this line. Suppose take the magnitude of AB is 1 centimeter. If you take EF 2 centimeter, CD 3 centimeter, this is half or whatever the centimeter length, magnitude. Direction, it is along east, it is along east, it is along west, it is along east. Direction ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ, magnitude ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ, but these vectors are parallel to the line. Therefore, they are called collinear vectors. Collinear vectors are the vectors. They are parallel to the same line irrespective of their magnitude and direction. Magnitude ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ, 3 ಇದೆ, 4 ಇದೆ, 5, 6, 10, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇರ್ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ ಅಂತ, ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ. ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ನೂ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೇನು, ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 1 ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಟು ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೈನ್. ಒಂದೇ ಲೈನ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ collinear vectors. Let us take one more example. This is the line L2 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂತೀನಿ. Call this line as L2. This is line vector A ಅಂತ ತಗೋಣ. Okay, this is vector B. So these A and B are the vectors. Magnitude suppose ಇದು 2 cm 2 ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This is magnitude 5. A and B are the two vectors. These two vectors are said to be collinear vectors. They are parallel to the line L2. Magnitude 2 ಇದೆ, magnitude 5 ಇದೆ, direction A east ಇದೆ, direction B west ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೇಕಾದರೂ ಇರಲಿ, these two vectors are parallel to the same line L2. Therefore A and B are called collinear vectors. So next one, equal vectors. Equal vectors ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 2 vectors ಬೇಕು. Let us call vector A and one more vector B. 2 vectors are said to be equal vectors if they have same magnitude and same direction. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡು ಮತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ A and B are the two vectors. They are equal vectors denoted by vector A equals vector B, or A vector equals B vector. Let us take example. This is 5 cm acting along east. Call this vector as A. One more vector acting along east, that is 5 cm. Call this vector as B. Take next example. Suppose 5, magnitude 5, acting along, moving along east. One more 5 moving along west. Call this vector as simply C and this one as D. Now observe. Here A and B are the equal vectors, but C and D are not equal vectors. Why? A and B having same magnitude. Magnitude ಇಲ್ಲೂ 5 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲೂ 5 ಇದೆ. And direction along east. Therefore A and B are equal vectors. But here C and D are not equal vectors, even though magnitude same, but direction C is along east, D is along west, opposite direction, magnitude same, but they are not equal vectors. So C is not equals to D because directions are reverse, different. But here A equals B. They are equal vectors. So equal vectors ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡು ಮತ್ತು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ನು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ದರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಸಪೋಸ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್. ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ 5, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ 6. Call this vector as this is E and this is F. Here E is not equals to F because the vector E is not equals to F because even though directions are same but magnitudes are different. Magnitude ಮತ್ತು direction ಎರಡೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ they are called equal vectors. So what is the definition? Once again, two vectors are said to be equal vectors if they have same magnitude and same direction. Next one, negative of a vector. It is very important compared to other types. This type is very important from the point of examination. Negative vector ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, negative of a vector. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಂತೂ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬರೀತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂಶಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ whose magnitude is same as that of given vector but direction is opposite to that of vector. means opposite to given vector. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. Let us take one example. So AB is a vector along east, magnitude 5. Let us take one more vector, CD. CD is a vector of magnitude 5. Direction is along east. This is east west, this is east west. Okay, here AB and CD are equal vectors because they having magnitude same 5 5, direction along east east, therefore they are called equal vectors. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಬಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ವೈ? ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಗಿವನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಓಕೆ, ಗಿವನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಬಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ. So BA is a negative vector of a AB. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಈಗ BA is a vector whose magnitude is same as that of the given vector. Given vector is AB, magnitude same ಇದೆ, but direction is opposite to that of given vector. So opposite, given vector direction E, negative vector direction west, opposite ಇದೆ. Therefore BA is a negative vector of AB. Suppose let us take one more example. This is east, okay, west, AB, this is BA, okay, AB 4, this is 3. Here BA is not a negative vector of AB. Why? Because the magnitude directions are opposite, okay, but magnitudes are not equal. Magnitude same ಇರಬೇಕು, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್. ನಾಟ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಗಿವನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ಎ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್, ಬಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ವೆಕ್ಟಾರ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಸ್ ಬಿ ಎ equals minus AB. AB is a vector, BA is a negative of the given vector. So exam ke definition important to ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. once again, negative vector is a vector whose magnitude is same as that of the given vector. given vector ಏನು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಗೂ ಅದೇ ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಬಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ 5 ಇದೆ, ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಿ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಎ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ. ವೈ? ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ದೀಸ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಝೀರೋ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, next one co-initial vectors, next collinear vectors, and last one negative of a vector. ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ these are very important for board examinations.